Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to whiten your yellow teeth. When your teeth no longer look sparkly, it often becomes a cause of concern. All the food we eat is broken down by the bacteria naturally present in your mouth. The acid produced as a byproduct of this process slowly corrodes the enamel of the teeth, revealing the yellow underneath. Staining caused by smoking or drinking too much coffee can also tarnish your smile. Here are some special methods to whiten your yellow teeth in 2 minutes. Baking soda. Baking soda can help clean the buildup of your teeth. It also helps break down the stains on the enamel. Put a little baking soda in a small bowl. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the bowl. Mix the baking soda and lemon juice evenly. Put the paste on your toothbrush and apply it to your teeth. You don't have to brush your teeth intensively with this paste. Apply the paste evenly, covering all the surface of your teeth and leave it on for 1 minute before rinsing your mouth thoroughly. Repeat this method once a week for 1 month for good results. Banana peel. The banana peel is rich in magnesium, manganese and potassium which revive the teeth enamel and restore the shine to your smile. Rub the white portion of fresh banana peel over your teeth. Brush your teeth a few minutes after using the peel. You can repeat this method 2 or 3 times a week. Turmeric powder. Turmeric can also help to whiten the teeth. Being mildly abrasive, it clears up plaque buildup, revealing the whiter teeth. Put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 or 2 drops of peppermint essential oil in a small bowl. Mix the ingredients into a paste. Lightly brush your teeth with the yellow paste. Let it stay on your teeth for 3 to 5 minutes before you spit and rinse your mouth. Repeat this remedy weekly until you get the desired results. Hydrogen peroxide. A combination of hydrogen peroxide with baking soda releases free radicals that helps break up the stain molecules on the surface of the teeth and thus works effectively to naturally whiten your teeth. Put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Mix the ingredients to form a paste. Add some toothpaste to the bowl. The amount of the toothpaste should be equal to that of the baking soda paste. Mix the contents of the bowl thoroughly to make your own teeth whitening paste. Apply this teeth whitening paste to your teeth with a toothbrush. Let the paste stand for 1 minute before rinsing your mouth with plain water thoroughly. Strawberry paste. This fruit contains antimicrobial properties that remove bacteria responsible for the yellowing teeth. Mash 2 or 3 large strawberries into a paste. Apply the strawberry paste over your teeth with a toothbrush or a cotton ball. Let it stay on your teeth for 3 to 5 minutes before spitting it out. Brush your teeth afterward. Use this remedy once a week. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is effective in removing stains and whitening the teeth. It also helps keep the bacteria in your mouth in check. Put some baking soda in a small bowl. Add enough apple cider vinegar to make a paste. Mix evenly. Lightly brush your teeth with the paste. Spit and rinse your mouth well. Repeat once a week. Orange peel. Orange peel contains antimicrobial properties that remove bacteria responsible for yellowing teeth. Being rich in magnesium, vitamin C and soluble fibers, which helps in whitening the teeth. Rub the white portion of a fresh orange peel over your teeth. This method can be repeated twice a week for good results. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is beneficial in eliminating the bacteria in your mouth which cause the yellowing of the teeth. Put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small bowl and add half teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix the contents into a paste. Use a toothbrush to brush your teeth with this paste. Thoroughly rinse your mouth afterward. Brush your teeth with this paste twice a week for good results. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.